All right, guys, we got a 21 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye, fully custom carbon fiber hood. See the red in the got some decals on it, tent. Really nice car. If you guys want to follow his build, this is his build on Instagram, right there. There's the wide wheels in the back. So it's got a big boy system on it, and he's like, I don't like it anymore. So we told him we're gonna let you guys hear it before. So here it is. This is what it sounds like before with the big boys. All right, here's sound decibels. And install a Corsa Performance Kit. There's the part number, 14996. There'll be a link in the description for it if we can find it for you guys. For this beautiful Charger. Fully custom on the inside too, look at that. Ooh, baby, I like them. All right guys, so we showed you the Hellcat, what it sounded like, and we're gonna show you why we can't install the Corsa kit. Believe it or not, Corsa even messes up. So stay tuned, 1 second. So 21 Charger Hellcat, factory converter, factory X pipe. He has a mid delete done on it, there and there. And then he's got the big boys exhaust on the back there. And there, the 2.5 or 3 inch big boys. There and there, there'll be a link in the description for him. And then he's got, to finish it off, color match big boys tips. 5 inch, there and there. As you guys can see, with a big boys clamp. There it is, right there, exhaust system. But we were gonna install this kit on it, the Corsa 14996, but we had a problem. Check this out, when they filled it up, like, you know, to package it, when they did for packaging, you guys can see it's fully filled with the packaging material. It pierced through the bag and it went through all the way through the muffler. Look at that, it filled up the muffler and everything, which sucks. So he's gonna have to call him up and bring it back to us once they send him a new kit. There was a hole in it when they were packaging it right there. It made a hole in the packaging and it just kept filling up the muffler with the packaging material. Everything else was perfect, it fits perfect, everything, but it's just full of the packaging material. Corsa, I don't know what to tell you. You guys usually are the best in the business, so it just happens, manufacturing. All right, guys, we got a 2021 Hellcat. So we're gonna do a comparison video probably on it for you guys. It had the big boys exhaust on it right there that we cut off. It wasn't loud enough, wasn't aggressive enough. So he brought it to us, we took it off, and he brought us a Corsa kit, Corsa Xtreme. We'll show you guys what we did with it. We installed it for him. So here we go. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then the Corsa Xtreme starts right here, right where the X pipe is. Replaces the factory X pipe with an aftermarket right there. There's the factory one there. Replaces it there. Then here's the Corsa Xtreme installed this side down. Anyways, so it does a mid muffler delete for there and there. And then with the Corsa Xtremes, guys, you do have to take it to a professional to get it installed, like us, because it comes with the valve setup, so it doesn't delete the valves. So you have to cut the valves off the original system, install it on the new system right there. As you guys can see, so we had to cut it here because it was missing this whole section right here. So it didn't have a valve delete kit. Okay, so we reinstalled his valves on it, there and there. The 3 inch continues out the back on each side, there and there. Then we installed the 2 mufflers by Corsa, there and there. And then he didn't want the factory Corsa tips that came with it because he had big boys tips that match with the color of the car, as you guys can see. So we went ahead and fabbed up the Corsa kit to make those fit. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer with his color match tips on his carbon fiber diffuser. Look at that, really clean, really nice. I like his license plate. And that's where the mid was. and the rears I showed you earlier, and replaced it, made it look nice and pretty. Here's the old box. That's the part number of the Corsa system right there, 14996. There'll be a link in the description for it if we can get it for you guys. Stay tuned for the sound. So it's got big boys in the rear, mid-delete, 5-inch tips. Other than that, it's all factory. Hellcat Redeye. Nice idle to it. Go ahead. That's not a bad tone at all, actually. It's clean. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 119. Again. Very nice. So he's gonna bring it back when Corsa, we called Corsa for him. They're gonna send them a new muffler. They'll be here in a week and then we'll put it on for him. Then we can install the kit. It sucks, it was unfortunate, but it happens. Nice look to it too. It's ready for anything. I like how he did everything color matched. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Corsa Xtreme. Never disappoints, man. It's so clean. This sucker sounds mean. Your sound decibels? 119. Again? You guys want to follow his build? There's his Instagram right there, guys. Give him a shout out. Tell him Exhaust Addict sent you in his comments for us. We'd really appreciate it. Really beautiful car. Nicely done. Nicely finished. I like the loop on the back. What do you think? Yes? Yeah, he likes it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger, Hellcat, Redeye. Beautiful. Such a clean car. I like it. Got a nice stance to it. I like that color. The two color scheme is nice. The gold wheels fit it nicely. Hopefully he'll give us a nice send off. Nice. That was magnificent. You can still hear it. You like it?
Like,
He likes it.
mucho money.
Mucho money? Who cares? It's just money.